the best Clickbank affiliate marketing strategy for beginners in 2025. Now this video is going to be very short, but stay until the end because I'm going to reveal to you exact strategy that helped me to make 5 and 6 figures per month with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, later you can reach out to me on my Instagram, my WhatsApp. I share how I travel to 65 countries because of Clickbank affiliate marketing. But now the most important thing is, as a beginner, how you can spend 30 minutes per day working on your affiliate marketing project, okay, beside your 9-to-5 job or whatever, family, whatever you're having going on in your life. The most important thing to understand is if you have failed before or lost money, it's not your fault. Why? Because maybe you tried outdated methods. You bought some course for $3,000, $5,000 US, right? And then you find out it's outdated. It used to work a few months ago or a year or 2 years ago, but now the rules has changed, the algorithm, right? As you know, of course, is changing and it's not your fault. Now, the best thing that I would do in your case is I would get someone to help me, mentor me or coach me one-on-one, step-by-step over the Zoom call so I can actually get up and running and done for me campaigns without wasting my energy, money and time, okay? And that's very, very, very important. The next thing to understand is with affiliate marketing, I know many gurus teach you create ClickFunnels, bridge page or landing page. Okay, yes. But they don't tell you they have low emotional states audience and high emotional states audiences. They don't tell you that creating curiosity or ugly, weird images gets a lot of clicks. Click-through rate growth go to the roof. Huge, huge, right? But the problem with huge click-through rate is that you are spending too much money on ads, okay? And you're not getting the right buyer's intent. So buyer's intent is very, very important. Why? Because buyers are the only one who are buying the product, okay? Window shoppers never buy anything on Clickbank. They just click on the link and they never buy anything. So that's very important to understand. As you watch the video, you can reach out to me on my Instagram, my WhatsApp number, yes, contact number, personal, one-on-one, you can reach out to me. Give me a call, but only if you're serious, if you're ready to invest money in yourself to actually get results in 2025, right? Because in 2025, you have to understand you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step. Otherwise, you're going to lose forever. You just keep losing and keep losing. Okay? You can avoid those avoidable mistakes by having a mentor or a coach, someone who can help you personally by hand-holding you so you can have those sustainable income on Clickbank without showing your face. Okay? If other people can do it, if other people can make $50,000 per month, $10,000 per month, $3,000 per month, then so can you. Okay? No matter where you live, are you in India, are you in Pakistan, are you in Australia, US, Canada, doesn't matter, Europe, you can do this, okay? If you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, a little bit of money to invest in yourself so you can get up and running. One sale on Clickbank can get you $1,000 or even $300, entirely up to you which offer you choose to promote. I give you proven offers, high converting offers that actually are proven 100% to convert, okay? And then with one ad for maybe $20 in a day, you get one sale, you make $300 US or $400 back. Because one person can buy the entire funnel. They will buy the front end product and all the upsells. One person, maybe out of 5 or 6 people. And you're gonna make $300, $400 from one person. And that's, my friend, how you can make money sustainably, okay? So as you watch this video, if you wanna get results, subscribe to my YouTube channel, connect with me one-on-one. So all the links to my WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and email are in the description below. Don't waste your time. If you're really action taker, if you're not excuse maker, let me know and let's make together something happen.